Hello everyone, I'm so glad to share today's recipe. Don't miss any step of this deliciousness. I present to you creamy layered sandwich. Every layer is filled with yummy satisfaction and creamy zinc taste of golden penny mayonnaise. I can't express this feeling of deliciousness, so you have to say it yourself. Let's start with the star of this recipe, the golden penny mayonnaise. Sliced bread, boiled eggs, sardine, butter, chopped spring onions, grated carrots and cherry tomatoes. A piping bag, coupler and nozzle. So let's start our creamy layered sandwich. Cut out all the edges of the bread. Bring out your cake pan. No need to grease. Place the first layer of bread, then mix in some of the boiled eggs, golden penny mayonnaise, sardine and butter together and set aside. Spread your boiled egg mix and the grated carrots, then the spring onions. It's so colorful, but we are not done yet. Here comes the very next layer. Repeat everything like the first layer. It's looking so good and healthy with all the veggies and of course the golden penny mayonnaise. And now another layer of goodness with a special difference. Slice more eggs, carrots and mash some sardine. Spread it on top of the bread. Here comes the drum roll. It's time to pipe the golden penny mayonnaise all around this deliciousness. Get the piping bag, cut out the tip, fit in the coupler and nozzle. Just scoop in the golden penny mayonnaise and time to pipe. Wow, can you see how creamy and smooth this is looking? And it's done with a cherry tomato on top. Finally, the creamy layered sandwich is officially ready, and every layer is a delicious creamy zinc experience. You have to recreate your own premium experience, so go get your own golden penny mayonnaise and enjoy. Keep watching for Policious Food Bites for more recipes. Thank you.